Start off by adding 1 teaspoon of sugar to a bowl. Then we're going to add 96 teaspoons of flour, 1 pack instant rise yeast.
Wait, doesn't it take like an hour?
4 to 9 pinches of salt based on your hand size. And then be sure to mix just fast enough to clear your table. Perfect! After taking the red pill, add 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. I'm a Greek boy myself. Now, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and make sure it's celibate. Next, we're going to get warm water and mix. Be sure to get out your hand-shaped hand blender so it goes fast. Grab your blue bowl and add the stuff from the red bowl. Mix it with a trident until it's form enough to knead, but not too much or it gets too kneady, like that X. Flour your hands, and be sure to do the LeBron pregame, so you know you're the king of the kitchen. And if you're smart, you'll probably actually put flour on before kneading it all so this doesn't happen to your fingers. Keep kneading until a sticky ball forms, and like always, wrap it up. Store in a warm, dry place. The warmer, the quicker the rise. After an hour or an hour and a half, restarting. Okay, there we go. Remove your dough. I already removed mine previously and started crafting. These guys are going to be sticky, so be ready with flour power. Once a nice oblong shape is formed, divide into 6 pieces, being sure to scratch your countertop. Grab your lavender liqueur and roll one out for your homies. Again, more flour. Cutely accidentally make the last one into a heart shape. Toss it in the cast iron at medium-high, 3 to 4 minutes aside until softly charred. Choppity chop some Italian parsley, sprinkle hella generously, then Naan